Unlock seamless file syncing and cloud backup for your Mac by mastering Google Drive setup. First, open your preferred web browser on your Mac and navigate to Google Drive. On the Google Drive homepage, locate and click the prominent button that says Download Drive for Desktop. Once the download is complete, find the installer file, usually a disk image with a DMG extension, in your Mac's Downloads folder. Double-click this DMG file to open it inside. You'll see the Google Drive application icon. Double-click that to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts, accepting any terms and conditions, and the installer will efficiently set up Google Drive on your Mac. After installation, Google Drive will launch automatically, presenting you with a sign-in window. Enter your Google account email address and password. Now, you'll configure how Google Drive syncs. You can choose which folders on your Mac you want to back up to the cloud, and which files from your Google Drive you want to mirror on your computer. Simply select the folders by checking the boxes next to them. Once you've made your selections, click the Done or Save button. You'll see the Google Drive icon appear in your Mac's menu bar, indicating it's active and syncing. Open Finder, and you'll now see a dedicated Google Drive location in your sidebar. Any files you place here will automatically sync to the cloud and across your other devices. To back up a file, simply drag and drop it into this Google Drive folder. In Finder, you'll see status icons indicating uploads and downloads, ensuring your important data is safely backed up and accessible from anywhere.